Hello everyone, Microsoft has a new workflow to enroll devices in the Windows Insider program, and in this video we're going to take a look at it. If you remember, a few months ago, the company introduced changes to the Windows Insider program, which actually lets you test new features by introducing a new channel structure and feature flag settings that let you turn experimental features on or off without needing the Divide tool. As a result, we have 3 new channels, including the experimental, beta, and release preview. Since the release of these changes, Microsoft has slowly been switching devices from the legacy to the new experience. However, thus far, the workflow to enroll devices have been kept the same. Now, I'm noticing on one of my devices that the workflow is already changing. And in this video, I want to show you the new wizard. But before we do that, let me go to settings and let me show you that this computer is currently running the latest stable build for version 25H2. And this is Windows 11 Home. So on Windows Update, if we go to the Windows Insider program, we're going to notice a new design for the page, and we still have the Get Started button. So it already detected that I'm logged in with the Windows Insider account. So I'm just going to click continue. And pretty much the workflow is similar as before. However, we don't have to pick the channels, as you can see in this new wizard. And then after the enrollment, we're going to get the option to restart the computer, but you can already see that we have the settings to configure the device for the Windows Insider program. One thing that you want to do before restarting is to make sure to choose the experience, which in this case can be experimental, beta, and the release preview has to be enabled manually by turning on this feature. And then you just need to choose the version of Windows. In this case, I'm going to choose version 25H2, which actually at the time of the recording, we're going to be getting preview builds for version 26H2. Once you selected your experience and version, now we can click the restart button to finish the enrollment. And then after restarting the computer, if we go to the settings tab, you can actually go to the Windows Insider program one more time. And here we can confirm that we're enrolled in the experimental channel. And we're on version 25H2. And now we simply need to check for updates in order to get the latest preview build. Just remember that to start getting new preview builds, it might take some time. It can take up to 24 hours or so. And as you can see, we're now downloading the latest preview build for version 26H2. And that's it. That was a first look at the new workflow that Microsoft is starting to roll out to enroll computers in the Windows Insider program. Let me know what you think about the new changes. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you. And I would like to thank you for viewing.